E-commerce is the buying and selling of goods and services online. In today's digital age, it has transformed how we shop, making the world your marketplace. With just a few clicks, you can access a vast range of products and services from anywhere, at any time. The importance of e-commerce lies in its convenience, global reach, and the ease of buying and selling online. It connects you to products and sellers worldwide, breaking down barriers and opening up new possibilities. Streamlined processes make transactions fast and secure, so you can shop with confidence. Presenting DesTech Store, one of the best modern tech e-commerce platforms designed for tech lovers. At DesTech Store, you'll find the latest gadgets, verified product listings, and detailed specifications. Join a community of fellow tech enthusiasts and enjoy a seamless shopping experience. Our platform is designed to make your tech shopping easy, enjoyable, and frustration-free. Discover, shop, and experience the future of tech shopping at DesTech Store. Your destination for the best in tech is just a click away.
Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are presenting on or showing how we worked on our project. So we had a project on fundamentals of software engineering, and we're tasked to develop a software. And the software we chose to develop an e-commerce web app where we sell tech devices. So that's what we are doing. So that's basically what we have done, and we are supposed to just do an overview of how the system was implemented, the tech stacks we use, the preview, the functions of the system, and the features of the system. So when we talk about the front end, we actually developed the front end, the back end, and our database, right? So when we talk about the front end, we used the normal, the traditional CSS, HTML, and JavaScript. When we talk about the backend, we also use the MongoDB, and we're using the Express.js as the framework, and we were using the MongoDB as a database. So we were using Node.js as a backend. Yes. So this where we have the front end folder where we can find our CSS codes, our JavaScript, and we can also find our HTML codes. We can also come to our backend, and this is our backend. For our backend, we can find our products.js. We can also find the payments. So these are the routes, the models, and the middleware. So we can check and see if actually our backend is actually running right now, right? So let's try and see if you can see that. Okay, so let's wait for the path to run and come show on the terminal. So we open our terminal to test and see if our backend is working. So let's test if our backend is working. Node server.js, right? Okay. Node server.js. There's a typo. Let's correct that. Yes. So let's come back. Yes. All right. So let's wait and see if our backend is connected. And yeah, so you can see that our MongoDB is connected. I mean, the database is connected, and the server is running on port 5000. Right. So this shows that our server is actually running, backend server is running. So we use the REST API. So the REST API help Ed to fetch data, product data, the user authentication, so the data from the user authentications. Yes. So let's check our data, the database too, and see. So this is our database, right? So the database, we have the DesTech TechMarket. So all the products that are being added by our admin is being saved. So the one approach the MongoDB uses is the JSON format for saving data. So in case, for instance, we are talking about this, so you can see that the MongoDB saves our product in JSON folder. So you can see we have the ID, the name of the product, the image, price, rating, reviews, discount, payments methods, and category. So this is how it saves. Yes, so you can check. So the G7 server, the Samsung, so every time the admin saves or adds a product, a new product, it comes here. This is how it shows in our database. The same for the user authentication stuff. Okay, so let's go back to our system, right? Yes, let's check our system and see how our system looks like. So let's try that. So our system is loading. Yes, so this is the home page of our system. So this is the DesTech. This is the system when our user or our customer gets to the page. Yeah, so this is the home page. So when you reach here, you are being given a special treat of 30% discount on your first product purchase, right? Yes. So on your first product purchase, for instance, maybe after doing your shopping and your total payment or total price was supposed to be 100 cedis, you'll be giving what? A discount of 30%. So I'm probably be paying approximately our 70 cedis for your products. Okay, so that's for what the sales that is being given, the special sales. Yes, so this is our customer support contact. Yes. And also, this before, as a new user of the system, you are supposed to what? Register and log in, have an account with DesTech Store, so you can log in. So as a new user, you can register for the system. So you go to what? Because you don't have an account, you go to user, enter your name, then your gender, your email. So maybe let me use an email of, let me say, Brian at gmail.com, right? Gmail.com. So we're having gmail.com as our email of when you're signing up. So we have the address. So these are, because I've already entered, that's why I'm not typing them, because I've already here. So we have the password, you enter your password, then you confirm your password again. Yes. So now then go to register. So your registration was successful, so now you ask to log in, right? So now enter your email using the registration and enter your password now. Yes, so you are, after logging in, if it's successful, they'll ask you, okay, login was successful, welcome this month to our platform. So now we have we on the home button. As I spoke about that earlier, we can shop by what? Laptops, phones, smartwatches, TVs, accessories, and sellers. We have pages where frequently maybe a new user has maybe difficulties in going through the system. They are frequently asked questions by other users and have answered. So this will help you to be able to aid in having a seamless access of the system. So how do I place an order? So maybe the help or the answer to that is browse our product, add your desired items to what cart, and proceed to checkout. Follow the on-screen instruction to complete payment. How long does delivery take? Delivery typically takes 2 to 5 business days, depend on your location. You receive a tracking information once your order is being shipped. Yeah, so that's what it does. You also have the terms and conditions. Also have the privacy policy that govern our platform. Yes, so that's for that page, the home page. Yes. So when we come to blogs today, we have a blog of e-commerce where the e-commerce talks about how e-commerce is boosting small business through e-commerce. This is just a short e-commerce blog. So maybe so that you appreciate why you are purchasing or why you are using an online system. Yes, so that's what the blog also does. Function about the blog. We have the socials of the platform, like the Facebook, Twitter, and the rest. We have the testimonial of users that have used the page and their positive feedback they are giving us. So these are some feedbacks I've gotten from verified customers, regular frequent buyers, and our business partners. Yes. So that's for that. So this section talks about just an advertisement of new products that are on discount. So for instance, we have the iPad Pro 128 gig on discount of 20% when you buy that. So if you want to learn more about our system, you can go to the admin portal and to show you more about. You can go to more about DesTech and to show you more about the system, our mission, our global reach, and everything. Product delivered, customer satisfaction, and region served. Yes. So that's for that. So obviously we are now diving into the main course of the system. So when a user can browse the system, check the available products. So these are all products. Maybe we are interested in only network devices, so you can just dive straight to network device category. So the network devices that we have on our platform will display for you to just browse through, shop through, and see which one you would like to buy. So you can, in this page, you can see that we have the ASUS PII router, the Cat6 cable, we have the gaming router, we have the access points, the IGN router, another access points, and use. So these are the things we have, right? Okay, so from here, if you are a user and because you have signed in already, you have an account, you can add to cart, you can delete from cart, You can increase the number of quantity of the product you want. You can decrease it. You also increasing the total amount, also calculating it down for you. After you can check out. Check out means you are going to the order page where you can enter your order details and stuff. But let's do it for now. You can also add to wish list. So you can also add to wish list, and wish list also from wish list you can add to cart, right? Yes. You can also delete from here again. So that's just some features about the system. Yes. You can also do a preview. The preview is showing the image, the name of the image, the price, and the reviews. Yes. So that's something small. So from here we can also see what order now. So you can see order now. So let's order now. So we press on the order button or the other action icon. So we have Google Pixel 6, which is 2000 cedis. You are only buying one quantity, this quantity 1. So this is it. You enter your shipping details and you send it to what asks you all the details that you need. So you enter. You can add your notes that you want to enter. I'm just entering anything because it's a demo we are doing. Yes. Yeah, then we are paying with Momo. So you now go to place this thing then, because the amount that was you're supposed to pay 2000, it automatically updates to your amount input section. But because you're using Momo, go straight to Momo, then you enter your number, then enter your Momo name, then it will send you an authenticate a pin for you to authenticate your payment through your Momo. Yes, so to send you authentication, we use a pay stack, and the pay stack was responsible for that. So after that, and if you're able to pay, then it will ask you, it will tell you your Momo payment is successful, so you can go back to your page. Yes, so that's what that's about. Yes, so this is about the user page for our customer, right? Okay, so now we also have the admin portal where the admin can manage products by adding products, deleting products, and updating products. And also the admin has a dashboard where you can monitor and analyze the revenue of the system. Yes. So before you use admin, you have to log in. So you log in this one. Sorry. Then you enter your password, right? Let's see. Yeah, so this is the admin portal where admin can manage products. So admin can add products. So let's try and see if we can add products. Yes. So let's just add this airport. So maybe this can be airport gen 3. Then the price can be 350. It's going to be under what smartwatch AirPods. And you can write the description to be available, right? Yes. And the rating can be 4.7. You can choose a payment method to be this, then add product. So you can see that your product is being added. You can see airport gen 350 this and everything. So here you can edit, you can also delete products. So when edit, you can maybe you want to change the price of the product and stuff. If you come to dashboard, the dashboard too is also here. The dashboard has a feature where it shows the available products on our platform, the total orders, total sales, profit. Yes. So we have the total revenue. So it gives a chart of analytical chart of each month, the revenue we are getting each month. So also we have the recent orders. So 4K Smart TV the order was completed. The Dell ProBook was pending. The phone accessories also pending. Then iPhone 16 Pro Max also pending. And the other one, the phone accessories kit, is also completed. So this is for that. And at the end of the day, you can also take a report of this page. That will be what in the PDF format. Yeah. So this is what the admin portal also does. So in a nutshell, we have the customer pages and the admin pages. The admin does what add products. And so we'll go to our home page and see if this product I've added, the airport gen 3, has actually been added. So let's check this has been added successfully. So let's just go to it down and see if it's added, right? Okay, so you can see that airport gen 3 has been added, right? So that's what the admin does. So maybe if I don't want to change this price to maybe 200 or 400 cedis, just update, then you can just do that too. Also, some users like to use dark theme. So we have the dark theme. We have introduced a dark theme to our system, so you can use a dark theme. Or if a user prefer to use a light theme, also you can just use a light theme also. So basically, this is what DesTech Store e-commerce has to offer. Thank you.